welcome back to Cooking with Himani. Today I'm going to show you a delicious cake that can be made in a microwave. So without wasting a minute, let's get started, shall we? For this cake, you will need 3 cups milk, 3 cups flour, 2 cups cocoa powder or chocolate powder, 2 cups of oil, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. So let's get making. First, I'm going to strain my flour into my bowl. This makes the cake fluffy. Now, I'm going to add my granulated sugar. Cocoa powder. And baking powder. Salt. Milk, vanilla essence, and my oil. I'm going to now mix it very well. I'm going to mix it until it becomes a smooth, chocolatey batter. Look at that! It turned out to be such a creamy, smooth and chocolatey batter. Now this is the consistency that we need. Amazing. Now I'm going to get a microwavable container. I'm going to grease it with oil. I'm going to make sure to get all the sides, so I don't want my cake to stick. Now I can pour my batter. I'm going to now give it 2 taps to settle it. Now I'm going to put in my microwave for 8 minutes. If it's still not done, you can put it in there for another 2 minutes. But I'm going to check after 8. It's now been 8 minutes. Let's check on it. Be careful, it might be hot. As you can see, it's not done very well in the middle. So I'm going to put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes. And then let's check on it. Now let's check again. I'm going to put a toothpick inside. If it doesn't come out clean, then it's not ready. Clean. So now it is ready. Now I'm going to put it aside and let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. It's now been 20 minutes and it's cooled down completely. Now I'm going to take it out. Flip it upside down. Just simply lift this part off. It looks gorgeous. decorating my dish. Again, we're just simply flipping it. That's how easy it is. Now I'm going to decorate it. This is optional. I'm just taking some icing sugar. I'm going to sprinkle it. Spread it a bit. Now I can add my sprinkles. It's starting to look so delicious. Now I can add my sprinkles. It's starting to look so delicious. Now let's cut it. It looks so spongy. Let me eat it. Mmm, delicious.